Hello everyone, today I'm discussing the most interesting topic: 3 reasons why a good user experience is important for a good customer experience. Every technology problem under the sun has a way to fix it. So, businesses have started UX to believe that more is better. Even though it's tempting to try every new app or tool that comes out, this has led to a bad trend. When organizations have too many options, they often end up with a Rolodex of separate tools. Instead of making work and business better, this approach just makes things more complicated. Multiple programs and steps can make it harder for workers to do their jobs. Too many systems and interfaces make it hard to get work done. It can also make people find workarounds and use unsafe methods to do their daily jobs. This is not only bad for morale and, by extension, innovation, but it can also leave businesses open to attacks. 3 reasons why a good UX is important for a good CX. 1. Businesses spend money on too many separate solutions. 2. Switching between apps makes it hard to get work done. 3. Best-of-breed solutions aren't the answer. For more deeply details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.